Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Klarna, or rather how you can sign up for Klarna. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the site. The process is similar for the web application as well, but if I go into login and go into private login, I will be taken to the login page, and here I can create an account. Once you click create an account, you will need to specify your phone number depending on the country that you have chosen. So make sure that it is available in your country, and make sure you enter a valid phone number. It will be needed for both a authentication message and for two-step verification in the future. So make sure that everything is up to spec there. It is not available in my country, so I won't be doing that. But yeah, once you enter your phone number, you will be required to enter your email address, and after that, you will need to enter your desired password. And once you do that, you might get an option to enter two-step verification. However, you can edit that in the app itself when you actually make an account. And yeah, that's all you need. You need a phone number, an email address, and a password, and your Klarna account will be open immediately. And then you can start using it for paying or financing purchases you have made online. But yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.